Animal Kingdom Lodge Kidani Village, with its partner resort Jambo House, are located right next to Animal Kingdom. The resort is beautifully decorated with an Animal Kingdom and African theme that can be seen throughout the resort. When you first walk into Kidani Village, it feels like you've entered a whole new realm. Beautiful theming, it feels like you're in a whole new village. You take a look to your left, you'll see Bell Services, the check-in, concierge. To your right, Jakari Treasures, which is also the location at Kidani where you fill up your resort refillable mug. Now, Jakari Treasures also has some fantastic gifts to bring back to those at home. As you continue on past the lobby, you'll notice a viewing platform where you can look through the windows and see the savanna. Now, if you take the stairs or the elevator to go down, you can actually go out onto the savanna in a guarded area. There's a fire pit out there at night. It is just so well themed. I highly recommend you take a look out there and just observe the animals and be a part of it. It's definitely one of my favorite experiences at Animal Kingdom Lodge. On the lower level of Kidani, you'll find Sanaa restaurant. It's a little bit difficult to find, but if you take those stairs down, you'll notice it right in front of you. You can't miss it. If you do go for dinner, I recommend asking for the bread service. It is one of my all-time favorites. If you go back up to the main level, you'll notice two viewing areas on top next to the lobby on the right and left-hand side of the lobby. It's a great place to sit out in those rocking chairs and just see the animals from there. Now, the viewing area on the right-hand side also has the library attached to it. Now, this is one of my favorite spots to just relax, catch my breath, enjoy the fireplace, look at the animals. I highly recommend you take a look at this spot as well. It also has a list of all the DVC members who were originally at Animal Kingdom Lodge Kidani Village. The accommodations at Kidani Village include a deluxe studio, a one-bedroom villa, and a two-bedroom villa. When I walk into my room at Kidani Village, I'm truly transported into another location. It is truly incredible. The theming, the level of detail is so amazing. You can see it everywhere you look. Now, these pictures were from a two-bedroom villa. You'll notice here the mural on the wall in the shower, and the bathroom is just truly incredible. The master bedroom, truly amazing with the Lion King headboard up there. It's roomy, it's comfortable, and it takes you to a whole new world that you never thought existed. There are many amenities to staying at a villa at Walt Disney World, including that washer and dryer and the kitchen that's set up right in your room. Now, in most of the resort reviews I do, I talk about the advantages of saving money by not upgrading to a premium view or premium location room. However, Kidani Village is an exception. If you're going to Kidani, I highly recommend and encourage you to upgrade to Savannah View. You will be so happy that you did, in my opinion, worth every single penny. With its unbelievable theme, incredible view of those animals, and the overall amenities and quiet feel that Animal Kingdom Lodge Kidani Village has, I give it an A++. It is my ultimate favorite resort at Walt Disney World. If you're considering a deluxe resort at Walt Disney World, I highly encourage you to take a look at Animal Kingdom Lodge Kidani Village. Now, what grade would you give Kidani Village? You can find a poll right here, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for being a part of the magic with me. Until next time, have a magical day.